Welcome to Learning Karanga. Here is your very first Karanga lesson to learn when you have Manuwhiri or visitors coming to your marae or establishment. Manuwhiri is a reference symbolizing the bird when it lands on the ground. It will fold its wings behind or upon its back, and their feet will delicately walk very cautiously across the ground. Manu meaning bird and whiri means to fold, in this case a bird folding its wings upon its back. Observe your visitors when they come onto your marae. They too will place their hands behind their backs and very cautiously walk onto the marae. The general basis of a karanga is actually known as a Poroporoaki, which is the Kaupapa, and the karanga is the physical mahi of the Poroporoaki. The karanga should be treated with great respect because its main function is to open the doorways to the spiritual dimension, to call upon our dearly departed loved ones to participate in our Powhiri to the Manuwhiri who have arrived to our marae, and to welcome their kawemate to be presented to the tupuna whare. Kia tangi hia, kia Poroporoaki tia. Like Te Reo Rangatira, the karanga is slowly losing its spiritual value, and it is used more today in a physical sense. Hence the importance to maintain its spiritual value, or it may be lost forever, like the moa. The word Manuwhiri can be interpreted as birds of the day, of the physical world, and Powhiri can be interpreted as birds of the night, of the spiritual world. When we Powhiri our Manuwhiri, we actually performing the Powhiri in a spiritual manner, meaning for the whole kāinga we are representing our tupuna whare and all its whakapapa that is attached to it. Now let's put into practice what we have just finished learning in our wananga. Like the mihi, listen very carefully to the karanga on how she effectively breathes to control the words of each line, and how she manages to pronounce each word and line together to make it flow like water in a creek. This is the basic way to achieve spirituality and harmony in your voice, mind, and body. You don't have to scream the words out or be loud. Just be one with yourself and the universe.
Haere mai rā koutou ngā manu o te pō, ngā manu o te ao ki runga I te papa neke neke anga, a o tātou tūpuna mātua e. Haere mai rā. Nōria mai rā ngā tini mate o te wā,